This is a game changer. Snapshot, streaming, and event recording. Cost attractive and designed for the industrial use. The sensingCam SEC100 offers it all. Surveilling critical processes is demanded in all industries. The SEC100 will be the first industrial low-cost camera worldwide. The low price and easy setup allow the camera to be integrated everywhere, into every machine, closed systems, or areas not visible for the operator. Use it for remote monitoring of critical processes, as quality documentation, or simply to save the walk to the end of the production line. Let's switch our perspective to view recordings. Just type in the IP address in any browser and open the onboard web server for an easy setup and to watch and save images and videos. The SEC100 is equipped with advanced optics. It comes with rugged housing, industrial connectors, and is easy to mount. Attractive pricing, combined with industrial design. The sensingCam SEC100.